Well, I thought I'd pass on maybe an obvious tip, but sort of caught me by surprise. And that is, on my table saw here, and I have a Delta, I think 36725, and in here is the dust chute. And there's an exit there for the dust port. Well, this dust was just coming out into my face. Couldn't understand why. And some friend mentioned about this dust chute might well be plugged up. And sure enough, now it's cleaned out now, but I pulled all of this pieces of wood out that had just clogged the inside and prevented the sawdust from coming out. Well, obviously I pulled all this stuff out and turned on my vacuum that's connected to the dust port, and sure enough, I mean, it just pulled it all out. Very slick. Something very simple, maybe obvious, but maybe not. Hope that helped. Maybe give you some idea of what to do if you're getting all this sawdust blown up in your face. Worked. Thanks for watching. See you on my next thoughts.